I'm Wariara. I'm going to be talking about employment contracts. One of the questions employers grapple with when setting up a business is whether a particular individual is an employee or a consultant. An employee is anyone who works for a salary or a wage, whereas a consultant is anyone who's considered a professional in a particular field. One of the easiest ways to distinguish the two is to do a control test. So a control test is basically looks at how much control an employer exercises over a particular individual. In a case where an employer dictates the hours of work, manner of output, and the place of reporting, such an individual may be regarded as an employee. Whereas when an individual has discretion in the ways in which they undertake the work, the hours of work, and place of reporting, such an individual may be regarded as a consultant. Other mechanisms that may be considered to distinguish between a consultant and an employee is whether the works that are undertaken by a particular individual are integral to the running of the business. In such a case, such works are considered to be works of an employee, whereas when the works undertaken are peripheral to the operations of the business, such works are considered to be works of a consultant. Also, a consultant is paid a consultancy fee, whereas an employee is paid a salary. A consultancy fee is subject to VAT and withholding tax, whereas a salary is subject to statutory deductions, which include pay, NHIF, and NSSF. Lastly, one of the distinguishing factors is whether a particular individual is provided for tools for work. In a case where an individual is provided for tools for work by an employer, such an individual may be considered an employee, whereas where a particular individual provides their own tools for work, such an individual is considered a consultant.